Hopes everything good. We party there. Watch a movie, yeah. You know what I mean? And give thanks to life. Yeah, man. Thumbs up, cups up. Enjoy while it lasts. Enjoy while it lasts. We not live forever. Me I tell you my boss. So drink what you a drink. Floss if you a floss. We not live forever. Me I tell you this my boss. Enjoy it while it lasts. Enjoy it while it lasts. Enjoy it while it lasts. Everybody have to die sometime. So right now I want to relax and just unwind. Calling the ladies, my dainty babies. Pour some liquor on the ground for y'all of me youth them are dead and gone. Wish you the day, yeah. Carry on. But we not live forever. Enjoy it while it lasts. Me said drink if you a drink and floss if you a floss. Enjoy it while it lasts. Enjoy it while it lasts. Me I tell you one story. To Jah me give the glory. I could have died many times, but before the demise, Jah show me a sign. So me must live life and me must live fine. So me don't feel the kind and me have to get mine. So enjoy it while it lasts. Feel the kind and me have to get mine. So enjoy it while it lasts. Enjoy it while it lasts.
Hello. Girl, what time you say I'm in appointment? And no matter fuck, nobody charge me no heap of money. You know, so me just come down from foreign. No, not do that. Yeah, come know your style. You have somebody here they do. So what time that the person they here I go finish? Cause more me here if you do, you know. See me here them yeah. Although you can't see. Yeah, make you hear it back at midnight. You hear it? You hear it? Okay. Buy me here them already and that's so expensive here them. You know how much one I hear? 12,000 for one. For one single one. And me I beg you do. That's when you do me here today. But I do it tight. And I can't manage the tightness. And I don't want you to make my earline them come out. No. Don't look too ugly. Earline too hard to grow back. Girl. Yeah man, me know. Me hear what you say. Me hear about the time where you say me fi come. But make sure say when me come here, you dress a place. I feel me time. No, but I start nobody here before for me, you know. When you done that, the woman the year my time, you know, me soon come. That me I tell you. Anyway. Me have somebody else to call, so they come on. Alright. Alright, cool. Boy, them do a good work, you know. Them man really do a good work. I like them something where them put up in the ceiling. Master, my mother said she want to do one room, you know, so I have to go recommend them man to my mother. And she'll build on one room. I like that. Very nice. But anyway, I have to go get somebody to come clean up the place because it's a pure dust and something. Clean it up and make it nice and fresh. Hold on there, let me call my friend.
And your hair dirty up here and not straightening it up back, you know. So if you sit down one place, sit down and you go out, let's go stand and go ramp or something.
Let's see, can we go outside to play? Oh, we go outside to play. Let's go, Sissy, then. Yeah, we're finally outside. Play. Mom, why are we doing that?
Yes, Jah. Blessed morning. Yeah, blessed Auntie Empress G, Wagwan. Yeah, I was talking to Auntie Beth the other day too, you know. Yes, the storm did mash you up wicked, man. You know? Still that rent house, because you know, say, oh, for my daughter Jessica, go on, you know, she do very well, you know. You have to see her, she get good grades up in her college. She soon, you know, she got about 3 years, they say about 2 more years or so, you know. But she been doing very well, so all of my money when I work, I just she me invest in her, because you don't know when you would come here and then put out them work, and you see them, you try with them. So all of my hard work, me I shook through it, you know. Yeah. No, my name starts bother building no house on the land, me even did sell the land there. Yeah, man, for pay off some of my tuition fee, because you know, we couldn't get the loan, the student loan. No. Never so fortunate, Auntie. A long time we not touch base with you though. Yeah, man, it's time mash you up wicked, man. I rent house me there now, because we have a look board house and it's time come and wipe it wet clean. But me give thanks, because see Auntie Baby text me, I soon call her. But when me I say to you now, if you have no local dividends you can send coming in December, yeah. As you see the Christmas season of creeping and you know how it go. The girl I go come home anytime I know. I don't know if she come from when. But she call me and tell me that she come down tonight or this.
Answer your phone now. Ah, Jesus, I must change my number. Hello? You know the voice here? Mark, oi. Nobody with it. Can't me not catch your accent although me go for such a long time. Don't do it. No, I love my Jamaican accent. Don't do that. Anyway, which part are they? Me just drop in that place, you know? Yeah. Yeah, my youth. Me there in my yard. Me not like tell people when me a travel. Sometimes we not fi tell people with business. You don't know. You go build a house, don't tell nobody. You go buy a vehicle, don't tell nobody. You go travel, not tell nobody whether you go or come back, not tell nobody. You go get some money, not tell nobody. People wicked in my youth. So anyway, you know me I have big long time, talkie for a long time. So like when me in the place, one of the day me go call you and make we have a drink. I know you love your belly already. Of course, I go buy food, girl. Yeah, me there so cool out, you know. You don't know nobody we can clean out place and so because true, we did have some man work on the place. You know, the place dusty and look one way now, so I want it fresh up and nice and something. Oh, you mean if me carry something for you? You crazy? Of course, me carry something for you with a surprise, man. I tell you. The container them come because the people them tell me say the container reach a Jamaica, but it not strip yet. Yeah man, me carry something for you and my next virgin them. Me not so selfish, you know my style long time. And me see me give a thing, know yourself. Alright, cool. Yeah man, bless up yourself. Alright. I'm really glad to me come. Hey, you must think me headache. I wonder how I'm going to do here, you know. Oh, a nice style. Although my ladies have bad like that. She know this style then.
Down, we go pick her up out on the road. Yeah, cause the driver always left him down at one different place cause he don't want to come up so far. Yeah man, but he was going different now. One next tenant there and her daughter. She lose everything too. Everything, some people get some clothes and you have the world kitchen and you have some little free food that get down on the road. I keep her up because she her place she work blow it too, you know. So you know, no work not the for she, so me and her a tenant. So if she go up on the road and get any little design look that we share and if we go me do the same likewise. Yeah man, so it's a weird though, but the eyes are saying to me, you know, I know it come to pass. Because my eyes are saying everything alright, and see, you know, a truth because of this storm here. Sure we say, we know they know where. You understand? Yeah, so. Alright, auntie. Yeah man, Western Union still work. So if you buck up any little thing that's where you run the place, you know, use cash wise, you can make me know. Because the girl go there home anytime and now, so with that good, if no man look change, can give her one good look dinner, because baiting food and supply survive from what day. Baiting goes, may I tell you, from tin mackerel sardine, tin this, tin that, tin everything.
What? A girl that love run some serious joke, you know, man. I wonder if you know it's a serious joke, them, yeah. No, I'm not call that girl, yeah. A girl that, no, run them kind of see, you know, see at Christmas and people want money. I don't know what you want me to feel like. Idiot. Eh? Glad to sing when I'm not sure. Is she take so long to answer iPhone?
Hello.
Oh, hello, what going?
Hi, my love.
Me no hi my love with me. Me no joking with you. Susie, you feel some idiot?
Girl, you know I sent you $7 million.
Really?
Yes.
You win lotto? You think so to me a Jamaican you take me feed it?
Oh, my baby, I was just joking.
God. So, well, Andy. Susie.
Yes, my love.
No, yes, my love, me girl. Not you me left you over there and come to Jamaica and you feel some idiot, you know. Remember, say we not stupid, you know. Me have sense. And you have sense. Like, seriously, you run a serious joke there with me?
No, you know, it has been hard. So I'm just, you know, just running a joke. So you just feel a little lighter, you know?
Lighter. Me no run money joke with people. All with me your best friend for a long time. Girl, right now me dey in a jam down here. It's so hot. Last night me go out on the road and me get one nice cliff. Girl, me have the good sense to me in your out here. It's better than the weed them over there.
Wow.
That me I tell you. Anyway, no run no serious joke there with me. You win lotto, me nah run no joke with you like them there. So when me can run no serious joke there with me, true you know me love money.
You know, if I win the lotto, you'll be the first I call. But guess what? At least you're there enjoying the sunshine. It has been so cold over here.
And you think me no know member, so me just come down. Me know what you feel like. What you talk about? Me know say over there cold. Me just take a break and sit and come to start out my house. Because remember, so me did tell you already, so me have some people that work on it and stuff. Right now, I want somebody to come clean it out and then something there. So what you do?
I'm just chilling with my baby. But you know I miss you, girl.
You not going to work today?
No, it's my day off.
Yeah, there. Okay, so you come to and pan me so far. I know them style. What you feel like? I say it we did live at the same place, but the same apartment.
None of that.
Anyway, me I go find something to eat, you know, cause I want to go here just and them something there and really go start out me here. Cause you don't know, say me have to come up back with one hot style in the cold, you know. One Jamaican hairstyle, overseas I go do it.
Yes, girl.
Alright,
I know
so
you're a
take care.
baddie.
Bless up yourself. You don't want to me hear them with me about a little more.
Yes, send me pics, okay?
Alright, cool, later.
Alright.
Yeah. Hold on there. Look how most men believe this as in here, you know. I swear look how most men believe this as $7 million trick or joke or whatever. You know me I'll catch back somebody with it though. I'm going to say, go give me friend Mark. Boy, what a sitting. What a lala when you get it. $7 million pop up on phone, say I go get that. Alright. Gotcha. Alright. Now call them, I send it to you. Yes. You're right, go man, but I'm panic. I see one more sitting man. I'm ready away. Alright, ready. Send this to 10 people and in 3 days time you will receive your blessing. Send. Loki. Alright, let me see. Backside, because that's when you go give me sister. Hey! Let me can't have to type you over, just forward it to him. Forward it to she. Alright, look for your name. Forward. Straight to my sister. Here. Send the fool a little further. If you believe so, no, you not go get $7 million to because you almost catch me. Yeah.
Edward? Alright, just hold on there. I'll go and go to the fire and say, you can go pick up a breakfast them now for you because last night I pick up dinner for you while I was up. And you want to pick up breakfast this morning. So just give me a good time here and then make you get something to eat.
Can I go watch TV? Are you putting the cartoon there?
I didn't watch this one. Vidata, we're rich now, Vidata. We're rich. So that's $7 million. My sister, we're rich, Vidata. Watch out, Vidata, watch out. Jesus Christ, thank you, Father God. Vidata, we're rich, Vidata, we're rich.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go camp by NPO. Wait, let's look at it. Let's look again. $7 million.
Mommy, we actually rich.
Yes, we're rich.
Yeah! Yeah!
I to get that we give thanks to the guy keep with throughout the time all of the crops them out in the field blow away. But anyway, me there. No, me not hear about that. Me not hear about that yet. Me not think them get them have for the money but not spend yet. Well, me blow out of politics long time. Me not know up on the side, me know up on my side. I try to go through. Alright, yeah, we talk though. We go talk. Alright, later. What kind of nice one so? Oh, jump up on over there. Oh, no, where I'm going. On the so. On the where we are going. I'll force me.
But mommy, give me one minute.
Yes, we like to see that we're rich. So we can go buy anything we want. We can finally move out of here, so.
And I say, follow this message to 10 people and you'll receive the blessing.
What's your time? It's
I
blessing.
prompt. Me get prompt.
Please forward this message to 10 people and receive this. For all much ears me and my sister and talk and this my sister chose to do this morning.
Hush, mommy. This basket is so boring that I found it. I want a bracelet. I'm so afraid to be in.
Alia,
Yeah?
what kind of nice mirror now? How going on?
I be a foolish going in, man.
How going?
Me get one mess. Come now where you stay so far.
No, I can't come in, man. I don't like road me and go something go down like town go do something. Where say I go on now?
Maybe sister him now come out with you foolish this morning. It's like how me broke and hungry. Come send me foolish for my phone.
What you saying now?
So me get one text say she'll give me if I'm 70 million or 7 million. So me well happy that me and my daughter in there jump and scream because we are so rich.
Oh, she a gear 7?
Because you know so she done a good job and so me think I get me I get the money for true. Well me look at one prank since appreciate to tell people and you gain blessing. The blessing can't do me right now.
Talking about blessing. Yeah, you know, you have people rent money?
So that's why me I jump up and come here and say, yeah, me can't find and pay for what me wear so I go buy one lamp salary or a house or something and move out. Me have something for myself because you know so for this time for me place mash up.
I said thing I go on now for my daughter to come down today, you know. But in the evening she'll come down because you know say Christmas break. You know what I mean? Me I tell you, if me never dare send that girl to go to college, right now I don't have money, but could have been a nice to go all out.
Yeah.
At 3 years now she there college. I have send her and I so come then I rent house and the landlord yeah, every minute he rise the price.
Hey, right now me I tell you the truth, me want some money. I know me not get to give me that, but me so give it man.
And no, when I do right now I go down in the town.
You know I go to the kitchen go collect breakfast them.
And that me I go there now, man. That me I go there now.
Remember say me collect dinner for you all away last night.
Yeah man, no me have conscience man. Because so it's been no to that. So for me you run and jump up and down. Me think a hungry strike. So anyway.
No, me think of money me I get.
Alright, so anyway, me I go run, go see what I go on and come back. Alright?
Yeah, man, deal with that.
Alright, we look a bit kinda late though.
Alright.
You're not done the person here yet. A time for me come now, you know. About 5 more minutes and not for me time. 1 more hour again. What you say? You ask me if he give you 1 more hour again. One top by hour, then we have to wait already. Alright. 1 hour, you say. Remember, some more me here if you get done, you know? And you say 1 hour. Because I would assume my time now to the time when you give me, I would assume my time now. But you say 1 more hour, that means you're not finish the person here. So, I'm going to give you 1 more hour and then we come, right? Alright, cool. Yeah, man. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Take out the money if you do me here now. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, in case you want something to eat or for drink some juice. And so. Hey, I didn't know the things they had time for me here, you know. So girl, I'm easy, man. How long she'll take the one smart here? I feel like I want to sleep. Oh. Put my phone powering, I said, you know, sharing me, I'm going to go oversleep. Alright.
Shot, man. Shot, me I tell you, boy. Yeah, man. Candy, what go on? Boy, I see you send me one text, but still, I'm still not. I don't really run the money joke there, man.
Ma, what you talk about? My you get so personal with this one little thing here.
Boy, you're foreigner, man. So if you come here and you feel like you give me a money, just give me a money. But tell me, say you give me a money. And when I check it out, I nah get none. No. Can't them run money joke, you know?
Nah, man, a joke me I make. One of my friends from overseas said he come give me.
And me a bridging from day one. So watch you know. If you do right, you just do right, you know. Cause watch you know. the money thing. Right now we need it, man. We are suffer out here.
So me almost believe say me I go get $7 million. But when me call her back, she a laugh and about just like a joke if me can't run joke. So me say me I share the joke with you. I $7 million you want. You ever work for 500,000 yet?
Yeah, man. Right now, I want to buy her some food to eat right now. I mean, I have no money. So you say if you step forward and do it, just do it, man. God know. Right, I know I want it. You just need the money.
You want $7 million in a 3 days time. You're lucky. You're gonna walk till your teeth kin like a cam dog before you get that day. Coop on you too. Me not joking, me serious. You know, hear me say she try to trick me. So me I send the fool a little further. You almost catch me there, me not think say me go get $7 million too. What do you? My you tap galang so. Alright, later. Bitch. Yes, sir. We one more to go. I want this, you know. Somebody want this when them a pass, then can take it, cause have that for a while now. I'm gonna buy one new one.
Mr. Taylor.
Yeah,
Girl, right now, Mr. My Bex and corrupt in the morning, yeah.
I want you, girl.
Me, they are broke and hungry, you know, sister and blood on my house, down.
Yeah.
And me not even ask for that, because I know say if they have money, you would have give me. So me not ask for no money. Oh, here I know, no. For my sister, she sent me something this morning. Say, how? If I just, me don't want to tell no lie, me have to go look again. If I don't 70 million or 7 million, she said me win. She a give me, no win, she a give me hit.
Where is it?
So she a give me 70 million or 7 million. It's one time me, when my daughter take a phone and scroll down. We say please send to 10 person and receive your blessing. No prank you woman, a prank me brother. You know them a time yeah.
Speaking about your sister. Your sister there, you know, girl.
No girl, remember some sister they overseas, she not there.
Girl, your sister there last night she come.
I lie.
Last night she come and my friend go pick her up at the airport.
Alright, watch me and her. No say nothing, you know. No say nothing. Watch me and her. Me and my daughter they are hungry when we see something coming and I want to say we are jump up and happy and a go on. All if you know say a prank you. Me don't know why my sister says so and his sister me a struggle.
Girl, your sister there right now. She come last night.
Alright, now no say a word man. Me know me God do. Me know me God do. He come last night and not even call me and say dog even though me am no friend but he still have one niece over here. He still care for his niece or something.
You think you did more?
Well, me fit and from know me and her no deal. So when me see send me happy because me I say yeah, my sister finally a come round here now. Foolish that right now me and then landlord they pay for me back here now for rent. Why me stress out.
Call her.
Me not call her no, but you go hear just watch the news, you go hear what me go do. You go see. Just keep your eye on the news and you will see.
Alright, if me see her, me call her and let you know.
Alright, later.
Yeah, later.
Mother around there? Bird plant. You will go there. This one. You go around, right? And you go tell her, say, the landlord that come, you see him come down the road, now come fast, my walk come fast. Run the fast.
Mommy, the landlord, he is coming.
Well, I'm not there.
In the walk fast.
Tell him something not there, yeah? Tell him something not there.
Hello. How am I run there? Your mother there?
She's not there.
And that you do you hide. When landlord come, you can't go find him. Yeah, man. I mean, tell her to prank you, but you know different.
Come on, me get me a prank. I want some man.
But you know different. Tomorrow is Christmas, man. Regardless of what, go and cheer up yourself and give thanks, man. But you know.
You're a pan don't like me a fool or landlord that come. Are you a follow him too?
There's a problem, bro.
I
go down. Girl, go down there, you know. Yeah, me go down there, right? And so me work kitchen lockdown. Work kitchen lockdown fully clean, security for security. Me say no come no further. So alright then. We did there. So alright now, so me say work kitchen lockdown, so me I try talk to them. Me want to look at old lady out at the front. When me I walk I come out now, I said to me say, fire, you know what go on? At the leader of the country. Say no food enough run. Pan the Christmas, yeah? They could have make the band them time to leave after Christmas. May I tell you? Because the people they need the food. But anyway, so I say work kitchen done. So I say then because I know some up you're hungry now. And me hungry too. So I chat off here now. I see me here. I saw me run. I go down at the next food place. By the time I reach down there, place empty. Everything out, everything done. When I go there and say the last one just can't get. Somebody say, I'm going to get back to you know. Then get bag of stuff. So I know say things in it different from food. So I tell you, I don't know how I go on.
You go your food char.
I tell you. But
Probably if I just say they go first, you'll get it, you know.
But anyway, I know so you're the young one to eat. I have a jack mackerel when I plan to save for when my daughter come home this evening. But by the evening, I'm supposed to get a little change. So I could give your daughter the jack mackerel and fry it up and cook it down and do. Later, better go come, man. You know what I said? Tomorrow at Christmas, we must get some food tomorrow. Some food that you give it tomorrow. So for today, make we survive it. You hear back from your dirty sister, can you?
I know me not back from him, but I saw reach on there. Don't worry yourself.
Which one way? No, you got a friend?
Me not call my friend now. And my friend tell me how my sister there from last night. And she not call me and said nothing and she have one in over here. And she not call and said,
oh, your sister come to your house? She big house and belongs up?
She there, she had.
Oh, God.
And she not call her niece.
So you don't know say you lose your house? She don't know say you lose your house, you know?
My sister know everything and he have a big old house round there. And he not say, I want to go over there go stay, make me over here so I have to struggle for rent. That's so hard me have it with family.
And an empty house around there?
Empty house. How much room?
And look you one with that run there now, you're not afraid. And look money back up for rent, get a back up if
For food.
And for start, so
Mm-hmm.
get a place back together.
I know me have to back up and look money me get me have to fling it on.
Yo, the landlord, you know, me I tell her saying go pop up on me when I get there.
Yeah, I craving. Every time in can I raise rent,
But you
I
know,
ask him about you on Christmas.
The last money me I feel. I said go give me daughter 50 hour tuition. So I don't see the landlord if me and her, if me want to talk to the woman one. Because the man one I move too vicious. Then me can't have a chance to the woman one.
The man wanna tell me be a phone shade and I don't know what he mean now.
Anyway, I go for that jack mackerel that you get here look about to give her
Alright, do it.
Up on the road, go do this on different stuff.
Alright.
Huh?
No, you can't go on.
No, you can't go out I and I go on a journey.
Fix
Cynthia.
up on it.
You can match up here and do what you do. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so anyway, me have one and two clients to deal with. I go deal with it. So tonight we go up on the road. Go see if we can creep. So, we probably get dinner last night. I don't have work with you.
Yes, I'm not going to lock down today.
And it locked down completely no. But me I tell you, say, this has opened up my eye a million times. How can the country run like this? You know what I mean? You'd fall off. And there's nothing to catch you back up. Nah man. So anyway, the little change I have to send go give me that the same way. Cause today she come and tell her man, yo, me love both but that girl, you know. Cause that girl like go make me proud, you know. One night time when she finish her college, you know, me I save her money send her go far and go work, you know. Nah man, she can't work your man. Me I send her go far and go work, she can work US money or England money or some other money because Jamaican money don't make no sense. So how do I work out yeah? 40 years what I working and I'm not sure. Yo, it's not happening again. So anyway, me have some things to do. You know, so when me at journey I go down so still, it's deep on my mind. Oh, your sister wicked. Your sister don't know say they are suffer. Your sister wicked. When you can't say, don't see me? No come. It's alright. But anyway, I go in a room.
Yeah, I put this to the corner floor. Me have to pick 2 bananas and 5 tree over there. So.
I don't know if no care package I give away. I don't know if spice I pass through. Me I try. If Mrs. Spice, I tell him say house blow away. You know what I mean? And I talk to him because you have a young one.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
man.
If Mrs. Wayne Marshall, if Mrs. Shaggy,
Anyone
if Mrs. Sean Paul, if Mrs. anyone, Usain Bolt, if Mrs. Romy and Virgo and his wife, if Mrs. so much people, if Mrs. Ramesh, if Mrs. the TikTok of them, if Mrs. Rebel, if Mrs. them, if Mrs. them, we go talk to them for you. They must come with a string for you. Alright? So don't worry yourself, your finger crossed because this is when things go mash up.
Bad.
School up now January.
Nobody's not both.
So by January I have a child. You know say hotel mash up and they say you know go back to work till XYZ and the hotel not to fix up some care package, you know. After the pay look long up, okay, if you don't pay no good, you don't have money and now. When you understand that money pile up, stack pan pile, so if you work hand to mouth, there's nothing when the drought come and the drought wash you out and sweep you out. Melissa is a lesson, you know. You think me not learn? Me I learn.
You learn too.
Oh. Anyway.
Man, do it, man.
Oh man, things I get from bad to worse, you know. Father. Go back to them type of style, you know. Don't want to go back to it, but brother, leave me no choice. Leave me no choice. So brother, leave me no choice. But be nice. Oh, what a surprise. Really want this no job, but you know, so I don't kill nobody though. I don't kill nobody. So we need something.
my daughter. How you run this side, though? I put on the shop and I'll come here. Where your next put on slippers there? Look for slippers put on, cause we are going to your auntie yard right now, because she feels that she can't style me or diss me. And what if I beat her up, you know, I assure her, say, me no ram. For the time we are going to school and me and her put on this fight, big fight in a square. But I don't deal about me, I know she get my number, come send me that, let me see, you know, come smash up, man, I mean. Straight round the way I go, put on the daddy and then carry with you. Come on. Straight round the way I go. I think tomorrow I'm big good. I'm going to show you the same. My mother is fitting this all over corner, mommy.
Thank you. Where is I?
Make me have no more.
No, listen. The information I'm getting now is that you fly in from out of the high bird, touchdown in a yard,
Me?
and I live large.
Me never go far from my boy.
No, don't say that. I used to work here. Back in the time, you send money and my boss pay me. My boss fire me. Send me a thief cement. Everything good. No, I need money.
Alright.
Where money there?
Me no have no.
What is that? Yes? No, here. Anyway, two hot girl I want to, but don't move. What kind of phone that? What kind?
iPhone.
Yeah, I like iPhone, not my phone. Where the money? You have more money?
I just this alone me out.
Then look at chunk change. No man, I mean this man. You can't come from a farm with pocket change. Go up on the bed. Go up on the bed. Go up on the bed. Look at the Christmas going nice. Well, up there, put it over, turn your head so, and put it over here so. Freeze! Let that turn over this. When you have money, you come to Jamaica, so my money is free. You're going to live, man. If you have money to give me, you're going to see New Year's. You want to listen to New Year's? Eh? Hello? Do you want to see New Year's? Don't move. Don't try not for fun. You know the fun I give to money. Me no want nothing for nothing. Me no great. Me no want no money. Me no want no loving for you. Just to me I set you in a position here. No means all access. You don't want access to your money. Show me where your money there. But man, me out the door. And listen much things you buy. You need the money before you buy the things then. Come. Where the money there?
Me give it all I eat.
No, that is not all our money. That can't buy nothing. That have to buy juice. That have to buy juice. You know it's a stamp pass, right? You give me a care package. Well, I want to give me some too. I want to take some of my money and give me some care package too and build my house. When the money there to build the house.
Me just gave the last.
No, that the money they can't build the house. Where the money there? Me I count from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You look like you're not listening to me. I said to you. Where the money there? Remember saying when you was a bill, we have cement pan cement, we have black pan black, we have sand pan stone, we have gravel pan the gravel, and the money never supposed to see. The boss pay me little enough as a laborer. As a laborer. And if you take 2 bags of cement, you go do one little thing, one little roast, and I lose the work. To 2 bags of cement. You tell them to fire me. Fire the local laborer team to 2 cement there. You could have survived. Come. Where the money there? When you get fired and do so long, they don't dip you. And you walk around place and they must tip you.
In a bank.
In a bank the money there? No, I don't think so. You don't get no time to go bank yet. What is it? 5, 6, 7,
See right there, son.
8.
They're right there, son.
Where?
Right here, son.
Right here? No man, it's a some change again man. But we are get there. We are get there. We are get there. Come on no man. Where the big money there, where that big fire, where the big money there. Come, talk to me man.
Okay, you pull me honey, please.
You can't pull it on you know. Because you hold my pocket. You hold my pocket so you can't pull it on.
Oh, yeah, do it down.
You're so bad with this.
Yeah, count, you know. 15. 16.
Ano listen to you? Should we even come in and go free? You took her. Come on.
Mark. This is serious this a time. I mean, I'm not joking. Please, me I beg you, call the police because gunman just come in for me. Do me I beg you. Send them come over me here. There? Please. Hello? I'll go and sis. Girl, I tell you something did I go at ages. Right now, I look at my ear if I go back overseas. I'm traumatized from them thieving, robber, gunman come to come rob my place and take my money and see. Yeah, maybe hear some other man outside that whisper about thank God you come. You can save my life although you did vex about the trick about the money. The $7 million? Yeah. You see it, everything happened for a reason. I'm glad you say it. Say I look at me did tell you so not true. So come you did that come to do it? Cuss me off girl. But anyway, I don't want to go through that. Thank God you did that come to cuss me off. So if I never vex and come over there. Maybe that man there, I don't know what else he would do to me. Man shop in and analyze me and see me. I'm glad you can save my life. Guess what I do? As I tell you before, I know me still traumatized. Me I go left the house go now. Go back over see there. Don't worry yourself man, me I give you some money. And when me go over me still send money come go. You know can't stay there. Yeah, so alright then. You later, love you honey bunch. You know you have me favorite sister. It's a happy nice girl. Alright, cool. Yeah.
Could have what a girl doing a Tony yard, you know. No one, yo. So Tony couldn't drop him out of yard. You like work with them people. Jessica,
Yes, Daddy.
how are you there?
But there are my friend, you can't come.
I run and me there out of the gate out of Tony. When since Tony to your friend. I pay Tony to carry you up. Anyway, me out of the road there, so me there right out of the shop. Right here, so me do it here.
Alright, this one come.
Yo, listen to me. I walk from out of the yard, come and say, no, hurry up and come.
Me a come, Daddy.
How are you going? You look like you've been yamming since I got college. And yamming, how are you going? Jessica, what really are you going? You don't know what to say. Not Tony, me pay for carry you to college. Every time, a Tony carry you up. So Tony, your friend now. What you do around your so. And then why your belly big so?
Daddy. Pregnant, we're pregnant. Daddy.
You're pregnant. You're pregnant. You're pregnant.
Yes, Daddy.
One thing me I said to you, you know. Who get you pregnant? A Tony breed you? So more than college him a carry you go. But Tony there.
He never run about.
So you never plan. So this is tomorrow Christmas, you know. This is Christmas Eve, you know. And this year gift you can't come give your papa. So you call me round here so you confess. So you understand confess and room.
Yes, Daddy.
Oh, so when you confess, you know where you go. Me I carry you up tonight with belly. You're
Daddy.
mad. So me not talk about that before I catch you do so. What about the millions of dollars where me spend on you to ensure say you go study nurse? How the money go now? You go send them back to school?
No, Daddy.
You don't know. What do you know though? Jessica, what do you know? Did you pass the test them up at school? Look like a Tech Bull college me send you. Me think me send you to go grab education and come be something. You want the whole neighbor. Now say wood. I want to find a different word. You want them turn against me and say me ask my boss about you know. Everywhere me go knock down me know and drink raw. Talk to me now, Jessica. Talk to me. You need to give me an explanation.
But Daddy, when me can't go on, so.
Money. Look you know. Me could have there. I finish me house now.
Yes, me know.
And me give millions for millions for millions for millions. Send you go to college.
Daddy.
Yeah,
we
talk
are
to
all,
me.
We are all big people, and I'm married. Can't do nothing.
When me I spend my money, where can you tell me say we are all big people, me not have to spend the money for you, so I
Daddy,
can't
we
girl.
never think about that, you know, Daddy.
So what did you think about? To carry a picnic come?
We never never planned for that either.
But Tony there. Tony! He run there, he must hear me. Forward there, sir. I have a next trip for you go pan. No, me have to talk to him about this because I don't know how it go work out. Me have to get back to my dividends. Because me can't lick you, you know. Because me now get locked up because of you. Because you go lick you now. You done sick already. You go lose the picnic then charge if you baby slaughter. Me not depend that. Still, carrying a picnic in the world is not bad. But it's when you can never get the education and then you do what you do.
I never purpose.
I never, I was spite. Tony! So see my coming now. See that now, the man at the moment.
I go on fire, everything good.
No, it's not good. Who put this yasso?
I'm gonna put it there, you know, say you're your first grandchild.
So, listen now, I give you work to bring her go up to college.
But guess what? Eventually, feelings start develop and we get together.
Oh,
Get her pregnant.
her feelings you go develop. Me think so education you go
But fire, listen now, education gonna come, but when she have a picnic,
education go come before picnic.
Listen me now. As me I say, go make you finish college when you be born and further education. You don't have to worry yourself and kill up yourself. You go make sure say everything I mean, nothing do her, nothing to the baby, you're gonna stay for that proud.
You see?
Yeah, no, you mess now. This is Christmas, you know. Tomorrow is Christmas. Today is Christmas Eve. And right now, this is a news that
Then a Christmas present this year.
Exactly.
Your Christmas present, you feel glad enough for your cause. You feel glad.
no, love. Yeah, alright. Put fun and joke aside.
He gone already, but
Alright,
he
it's
can't
gone already. But
Yeah.
how do I get the money when we spend at college back? Come go need it back, you know.
come. Say money you worry about, imagine. You spend
Alright.
money, you know? You spend money for your own daughter and want it back. That
No. I want her to spend it with the willing so she go come out to something.
But she gonna come
But
this
now she a come out to something different. That's what me and her then I reason about it.
But daddy, that's still not.
But me and them reason about it, right? We went reason about it.
Yes, man.
I went tell her say lock your foot up in your brain. Lock your
But
foot.
just enough fire. Sometime when the clothes pin squeeze in it pocket at the right person. But some other
Anyway,
one.
alright. Una do. One back in.
So daddy, why you send me in?
So where you go come? Up a yard and not cook the stuff.
No
You
worry
left
yourself.
the one.
No worry yourself.
You
Everything
can't
going
come
good.
back with.
Everything going good.
Go on,
Fire.
one.
You're going to see if you're not proud of your daughter. Look.
Yeah. Oh no.
After she have a baby, everything second, you're going to see if you're not proud.
Jessica, you let down your papa door. You let me down. Right now, I could have my house. Hey, I feel like I got run bar now. Girl, and now say next word.
Go back overseas there. And I say auntie loves you, I'm sure. Alright, so when I go back overseas, I go send some money from give your mother. So your mother can buy stuff here. Overseas. Now you sit down and worry yourself over your auntie. Your auntie going to be okay. So I go send some money from give your mother. Buy stuff here. Anyway, so when your mommy give you money, you must learn to save. You must always send money for you. You know, say, me's your auntie and me love you. You hear me, baby?
Yeah.
Go there. Hug up your auntie. Hug me, man. Hug me. Hug up auntie. Kiss auntie. Nah. So guess what? I'm going to leave the house. That my house, my thought, they always come. I'm going to leave the house, you and your mother stay there, because You see all of it one? You still a think about it. Maybe you don't understand what traumatized means, but me traumatized and I have to leave and go back over things. Yeah?
Okay.
Alright, so what you want to send out to you?
Auntie, I think so mommy used to beat you up.
Yes, when we were smaller, she used to beat me up a lot. Yes. Don't laugh, it's true. And me always have to go to my mother and go tell my mother that she had beat me up because she always wants to take everything when me have. Anything me have, she jealous over it. Even when we mother give she and give me, she still want to fight me and take it. But me still love her and my sister. What you say about her, man? That's all I'm saying. Come here.
If you know, you know. And if you know, you know. And if you don't know, then you don't know. And if you don't water your plants, then won't grow. And if you don't put out your talents, then they won't show. Anyway, I and Natty, we don't have no problem with what do Cane roll. Yeah, we just human being. Yeah, human being. So let's keep it clean and let us make Jamaica in a dream. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Yeah man, glory be to the most I give thanks to life burn down to the ground. You know it's vice of fire ass, burn it down to the ground. Curious. You know what I mean? What's going on out there in the world? Hope so everyone is doing the best they can in this time. You know, as we are about to exit 2025. Give thanks we're still alive. And may we live to see many more. You know what I mean? May we reach our potential and achieve something. You know what I mean? Because we're fighting hard for it too, you know. And we say people are fighting hard out there. And the resistance for you to make it is out there too, you know what I mean? So, it's what it is though, you know? Life is it. Yeah man, so we're there. We'll go on put in some work as usual. I have to go back to some training for the new year. Because the new year, I want to put myself in a new year. You know what I mean? So, that type me I try to deal with that now. You know what I mean? Because that is life itself, man. Burn it down to the ground. But stay tuned. Big up everyone. Remember, put up a flag where you're representing from. Leave a comment. You know what I mean? Tell a friend. It boosts the algorithm to show say your people interested. So leave a comment. Make people can say, yo, yeah, stay tuned. Put up a flag where you come from. In the world. Yeah. I hail from Jamaica. Burn it down to the ground. Let's go.